the nature of instruction. Only for the 8th slok. My main purpose was to give an idea, outline of this slok. The purpose of all kinds of teachings. Here teaching means the teaching of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu or Rupa Goswami. If you are following this, to follow this slok, 7 kinds of slokas has been explained there. Only to realize this slok. So, tannama rupa charitadi sukirtananu smrityo kramena rasana manasi niyojya tishthan braje tadanuragi jananugami kalam nae dakhilami ityupadeshasara. Rupa Goswami is telling, I am now telling the sum and substance of all Upadeshas taught by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. By this slok following, you can attain easily Krishna Prem, which is our life of goal of our life, object of our life. So he is telling, Tannam Rupa Charitadi. I read the translation.
The essence of all advice is that one should utilize one's full time, 24 hours a day, in nicely chanting and remembering the Lord's divine name, transcendental form, qualities, and eternal pastimes, thereby gradually engaging one's tongue and mind. In this way, one should reside in Braj, Goloka Vrindavan Dham, and serve Krishna under the guidance of devotees. One should follow in the footsteps of the Lord's beloved devotees who are deeply attached to his devotional service.
We will explain it. I want to read one stanza, 75, in the transcendental realm. Because today in evening so many person will go. So I want to touch that thing, mood, in transcendental realm of Braja.
In the transcendental realm of Braja, one should serve the Supreme Lord Sri Krishna with a feeling similar to that of his associates. And one should place himself under the direct guidance of a particular associate of Krishna and should follow in his footsteps. This method is applicable both in the stage of sadhan, spiritual practices executed while in the stage of bondage, and in the stage of sadhya, God realization, when one is a siddha purusha or a spiritually perfect soul.
Swamiji is quoting here one slok of Rupa Goswami from Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu for this slok. And slok is that Seva Sadhaka Rupena Siddha Rupena Cha Atrahi Tad Bhav Lipsuna Karya Brajalokanusarata. The meaning is so deep but vivid that Rupa Goswami is telling that if you want to serve Krishna, then you should have a sadhan like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has told. What is that sadhan? What is the process? He is telling. Seva sadhak rupena. You should serve like sadhak and also like siddha. Like we are giving an example. Rupa and Sanatan are all 6 Goswami and or Acharya. especially Rup Raghunath. No? How they are serving? Sankhya Purvak Nam Gan Nativi Kala Prasani Krtau Nidrahar Vihar Kadi Vijitau Chatanta Dino Chajo Radha Krishna Gunasmate Madhurimandena Sammohitau Vande Rup Sanatano Raghujugau Sri Jiva Gopalakau. Swamiji always used to recite this song with tears in his eyes, very, very honorably, with deep love and affection. Sankhya Purvaka Nam Gannati Bhi. This is sadhan. Of what thing? To attain bhav. Sankhya Purvak. Not less than 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs. All the associates like Rup Raghunath were doing always daily. Sankhya Purvak Naam. Gan. What gan? Radhe Jaya Jaya Madhava Daite Gokula Taruni Mandala Mahite Radhe Jaya Jaya Madhava Daite. Again. Govinda Damo Dharmadhaveti Govinda Damo Dharmadhaveti Govinda Damo Dharmadhaveti Govinda Damo Dharmadhaveti Namami Nandanandanam Namami Nandanandanam Namami Nandanandanam Namami Nandanandanam. Like this, 2, 3, 4 hours observed. Sankhya Purvak Naam Gan Bandana Bhajami Radham Marabinda Netram Smarabi Radham Anushmitasyam Badami Radham Karuna Bharadram Tato Mamannasti Gatirnaka. Always I am doing bhajan. My doing bhajan of Radhika. Always what? Remembering Radhika lotus feet. From mouth uttering Radhe Radhe Jai Jai Sri Radhe. Why? Srimati Radhika is unlimited merciful, more than Krishna. Tavai Vasmi, Tavai Vasmi. Like this, so bandana always. After that, doing pranam. Ashtang pranam, Shashtang pranam. Shashtang pranam, you know? Desh, hands, two folding.
Like a rod.
And heart, inner heart, by speech, telling Hare Krishna, and doing like this. These 8 things should be there. Then Ashtang pranam. To whom? Radha Govind, Radha Gopinath, Radha Madan Mohan, Radha Damodar, Radha Shyamsundar, Radha Raman, Radha Gokulananda, Radha Madhav, Radha Vinod Bihari, Radha Bank Bihari Ji, Radha Vallabha, Radha Girdhar. So, and the places of pastimes. With नंद बाबा महाराज की जय हो, नंद बाबा की जय हो, जसोदा मैया की जय हो, कृष्ण कन्हैया की जय हो, दाऊ भैया की जय हो, रोनी मैया की जय हो, रसीली रसोईया की जय हो, and all these things. तो बरसाना वेंट, बरसाना की जय हो, वृषभानु बाबा की जय है, कृतिका मैया के, श्रीदाम भैया की जय हो, लादनी महाभाव स्वरूपा मम आराध्या श्रीमती राधिका जी की जय हो, जय हो अनंग मंजरी की जय हो. Jai hai to all the places there. To Vrindavan, Nidhvan, Bansi Bhat, Keshi Ghat, Dhir Samir, Seva Kunja, doing pranam. So, Bhandirvan, where Radhika was married to Krishna. So, Radhika and Krishna are playing on swings to that places, to Jamuna, to Giriraj, Govardhan, to Radha Kund, Shyam Kund, lakhs like this. 4 hours.
24 hours.
No, 4 hours. 24 hours. If you will, they will do that, they will remember and they will faint. And they will roll down. Always. Ha Radhe, ha He Radhe, Braj Devi ke chalalite he Nanda suno kuta. Shi kalpapad patale kalindi banne kuta. Ghoshantavit sarbato khedai maha. So this is called sadhan. So these are outer sadhan, not inner. Inner sadhan is more developed. Always sinking playing in the webs of Radha and Krishna love, in the ocean of prem, unlimited ocean. This is sadhan. And internally where? Rup Goswami is Rup Manjari, Raghunath Goswami is Rati. They are subbing always Radha Krishna conjugal. Vanish sometimes messaging Srimati Radhika. Sometimes Krishna is telling, come on, and these are saying, no, we will not come. They are hiding on the back of Srimati Radhika. This is service doing. Sometimes battle not. What service is more? Raghunath Das Goswami has told in his in his Stavavali, he has told. Paniya Tambularpan Padamardan Payodana Abhisharadivi Bindaranya Maheswarin Tosayanti Priya Pran Pres Sakhi Kulad Pikila Sanko Chita Bhumika Keli Bhumi Surup Manjari Mukha Taddasika. These are some. So he is telling Siddha Rupena, this is Siddha Rupena, and Sadhak Rupena, what I told, Sankhya Purvak Nam Ganatvi. They is all. Always in 24 hours, weeping bitterly, rolling down on the bank of Radha Kund and Shyam Kund, sometimes in Vrindavan, Seva Kund. Bansi Bhatt here, on the bank of Yamuna, like these are sadhan. Only note that we should give books and 75% keep in our pocket. In beginning, Swamiji told like all these things. Without this, we cannot go up. But forever, we will do only this and not coming in this line. That is why he sent me. He told me that go and help devotees. Otherwise, they will dry and giving of this Krishna consciousness, and they are going here and there. If anyone will not taste and advance, how can they be stay in this movement? If river is not flowing and water is stopped, then it will be rotten. And after that it will dry. So bhakti is like a current, or bhakti will surely go up. And if it is not going by these ways that he is telling, so we should try to realize all these things and do bhajan like this. I have given only a test, very little. Otherwise, they will tell Narayan Maharaj is Sahaja and he is telling all these things. Flatly, they will tell. I think that up till now, in 7-8 days, I am giving the Srimad Bhagavatam. What I have told. Actually, Prahlad Maharaj, Ajamil, Nrsimha Bhagwan, and all others. From bringing. But if I am not touching Braja Leela, then it is all bogus. No? All bogus. So I should touch something and give you some test that you should not fall down. Otherwise you will fall down. Graduate. But today is finished. I have given only very touch. Finish. So you should be have a very little what? Greed for this. And if you have greed, then I will give so much. Gaur Pramanande. Bas. Why weeping? Bas. Lo. Namami Nandanam. Namami Nandanam. Namami Nandanam.